This is an overview of how to use Kinetic Task to federate tickets between customers, vendors, and service providers. Typically, complex service delivery processes include not only multiple systems but also outside vendors and business partners. If data isn't properly synced between these systems, errors will occur and critical processes may break. Service providers can implement a service integration and management strategy using Kinetic Task as a service and integration hub to automate processes across systems. Setting up a SIAM strategy includes the following steps. Determine the inputs needed in order to create or update tickets in an external system. Build a kinetic tree to facilitate the business routing requirements. And then set up webhooks to call Kinetic Task on each system that needs to be kept in sync. In this example, we've created a routine that can be called by an originating system. For example, the originating system may be a client's incident management system. That client's incident management system may need to create a ticket in a vendor's incident management system. When this routine is called, it's passed some parameters, for instance, the external system's incident ID, the action this routine needs to take, maybe it's a create or an update of the vendor's incident management system. And what we do is look up the routing details, possibly using Kinetic's data management console or a SharePoint list, and then call a subroutine which either creates or updates the vendor's incident management system. I'm now going to navigate into the subroutine, which is actually creating a record in a service provider's incident management system. In this routine, the first step is determine the incoming vendor, which is looking up any relevant information that this tree may need in order to make a decision about its routing. If the incoming vendor's incident is a BMC incident, then we can look up that incident using the BMC incident retrieve handler and by passing in the incident ID. This returns all of the information about that incident. Any fields that are configured to be returned from the BMC incident retrieve handler are now available in this routine. From here, I can then branch depending on who the external vendor is and create either a HP service management incident or a BMC incident. Inside the HP service management incident create handler, I can pass in parameters such as the status, title, and description, which were retrieved by the node that executed previously. When all of this is done, we return the external vendor's incident number so that we can update it later on.